Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a hair review to share with you guys. This is some Beauty Forever hair, and this is the Malaysian curly. I just made the wig using the hot glue gun method, and this is what it looks like. Really nice. You guys know I love curly hair, so I know this is nothing new for you. If you watch like these hair reviews all the time, then you know I'm always rocking some curly hair. But this one is really nice. Again, it's from Beauty Forever. This is the box, and you also get some lashes, but I don't wear lashes. I don't know how to apply them, but yeah, you get these lashes. Now I didn't go in and like, you know, make the party space look more realistic. I guess I can go ahead and do that now and just tell you guys some more about the hair. So I did receive 3 bundles and 1 closure. All of it is 18 inches. I didn't use all of the bundles. I used about maybe 2.5 of the bundles with the closure because I didn't want the wigs to be like really big. I don't really like that look. But I really do like the way it looks now. I think it's full enough for me because I have a, you know, small head. So I'm not trying to have a whole bunch of hair on my head. But I didn't go in and like bleach the knots or anything. I'm just gonna use powder. I never really do that because I'm not really good at it. So I use powder to make it look more realistic. I should probably go in and tweeze this parting space some, but I'm not even gonna do that right now because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing a wig review, and you know, I'm gonna go downstairs and finish decorating the living room. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys this unit because I'm loving it. I love the way these units look when I first make them. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, you know, how it looks. When you make it look more realistic, it looks so much better. That's why I'm doing this, although I'm not really going anywhere. I don't know, I might. It's Friday night, so who knows? Might go to the movies or something. Then I don't have to worry about fixing my unit because I tend to do stuff like that at the last minute, like let's just get up and go somewhere. Now as far as shedding, I'm getting some shedding, but like I said, I just made the unit and I didn't like go through and finger comb it to get out all of the loose hairs from cutting. But I don't judge shedding when I first make a unit because I'm expecting it to shed. And this is my first time, you know, rocking some Beauty Forever hair, so I can't tell you, well, the hair is good. I've had it before. This is my first unit, so I'll just have to update you guys. But let me just go ahead and mess around with one area. Okay, so let me just keep doing it because I can tell if it's going to be a unit that's going to shed a lot. Okay, so the shedding is not, all right, so I don't think this unit is going to shed, you know, often because I'm just pulling this area, getting out all of those loose hairs from making the unit, and now I'm not getting any shedding. So yeah, I just need to go back and do that to the entire wig. But tangling, curly hair is probably going to tangle, but as of right now, it's not bad. It's like really soft. My fingers, you know, they're sliding through the curls, but I always experience tangling after a while. So you have to like stay up on the maintenance of these units, like washing, conditioning. But I will go and wash it because I didn't like wash it yet. I like to show you guys the hair before I do anything to it, like putting any products in it. So I didn't wash it yet. And I know I review a lot of like curly units, so sometimes you might be wondering like, okay, it looks like the last one you reviewed, but it's different. Trust me, it's different. The curl pattern is definitely different. But if you're like into wigs and like curly hair, then you already know this. Now I'm not too crazy about the closure. I feel like it could have had more hair, but you know, I was able to make it work, and I do like the way it looks with one side tucked behind the ear. And yeah, I really like the look. So at least my hair is done for tonight in case I end up going somewhere. Now if you want to get your hands on this unit, I will have the link in the description box and any other information that you need to know, just in case they're running like a sale. Check the description box, guys, because usually, you know, these sites selling the hair is always running some kind of sale. So definitely check the description box for that. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up this review. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.